This time we'll discuss how to edit the list of stimulators used in the test. To view the list of stimulators, open the test template window and click the Stimulators tab. Here we can add new stimulators to the list, delete those unnecessary, and adjust simulation parameters. To add a new stimulator, click the Add button. The list of all stimulators available for the test will appear on the screen. They are usually Neuro-IOM, transcranial stimulator, multi-channel stimulator, and different built-in stimulators. Select the desired stimulator and click OK. The setting window for the respective stimulator will appear. Adjust the settings and click OK to continue. You see that a new line is now on the list. Here you can enter the stimulator name, enable repetitive stimulation by activating the checkbox in frequency column, and set stimulation frequency. In the sound column, you can enable sound notification on the stimulus delivery and select the sound type. You can also play the selected sound prior to the applying settings. The sound will be heard when the current runs between the two contacts of the stimulator. This option allows the surgeon to hear the sound when the probe touches the patient tissue during stimulation. The hotkey combination to run different stimulators can be as well specified in this tab. Click the hotkey column area and select the desired key combination. If the selected combination is available, its description will be shown in the column. You can then use the selected combination during the test to run the respective stimulator. In the stimuli column, the number of stimuli delivered by the generator in repetitive stimulation mode can be set. Upon achieving this number, the stimulation will stop automatically. If you want to change the type of stimulator being used, for example, use multi-channel stimulator instead of Neuro-IOM transcranial stimulator, select the stimulator in the list and click Setup. Select the desired stimulator in the shown window. If you just want to edit the stimulation parameters, use the button with the dots next to the stimulator name. A panel for each stimulator in the list will be shown on the screen in the test window. The panel is intended to control the stimulator. Several stimulators having different settings, such as different outputs or stimulus intensities, but associated with the same stimulator device, can be added to the list. This allows starting stimulation with a single click without having to change the stimulator settings manually. I would like to say a few words about the multi-channel stimulator setup. The multi-channel stimulator delivers stimuli at different outputs with certain intervals. This mode is used during somatosensory evoked potentials recording when all four limbs are stimulated at once. Click the Add button and select the multi-channel stimulator. In the stimulator settings, select multi-channel for the stimulation type. In the respective field, specify the number of stimuli in sequence equal to the number of stimulated limbs. For example, 4 when stimulating arms and legs. Then select the stimulator output for each stimulus and specify the stimulation intensity. Click OK and 4 new lines will appear in the list. Change the stimulator name according to the name of the stimulated limbs. That's it. Now You can run simultaneous stimulation of arms and legs during surgery, which reduces greatly the time required to obtain some of the sensory evoked potentials from all limbs. To delete the stimulator not used in the test, use the delete button. To change the order of the stimulator in the list, use the up and down buttons. When all desired changes to the list of stimulators are made, you can proceed with other test settings or exit setup by clicking OK.